Showings and contracts are down this past week compared to 1 year ago. It's Friday, January 10th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Days before a seller receives a contract has increased by 18 days, but the median list price is up 9.1% from last year this time. Active inventory for sale fell again to 1,596. Homes coming soon are up again this week to 78 properties. New contracts are up to 99, going under contract in 28 days. 49 homes settled at 95.9% list to sold ratio, with days on the market at 22. Homes for lease remain at 146 at $1,995 median dollars per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, January 10th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.